In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a shared Google Drive step by step. By the end, you'll have a single folder in Google Drive that you can collaborate on with others, all set up quickly and cleanly. Start by opening your browser and clicking the Google Apps icon, the small grid of dots usually found in the top right corner of the Google homepage or Gmail. From that menu, select Drive to open Google Drive. This is your central place for storing and organizing files online so you can access them anywhere. Inside Google Drive, look to the left and click the New button. This opens the menu for creating or uploading items. Choose New Folder. A prompt will appear asking for a name. Enter a clear, descriptive folder name that makes sense to everyone who will use it, something like a team name, a project title, or a date range. Good naming now prevents confusion later, especially when multiple people are involved. Click Create to finish making the folder. You'll see your new folder appear in your Drive. Click that folder to open it. This is where you can start adding your files. You can drag and drop files directly from your computer into the folder, or use the New button again to upload files and even create new Google Docs, Sheets, or slides right inside the folder. As you add items, remember that keeping a tidy structure, clear file names, and logical subfolders makes collaboration smoother for everyone. Once you've added what you need, it's time to share the folder. At the top of the screen, click on your folder name to reveal the folder options, then click Share. A sharing window will open. In the Add People and Groups field, type the email addresses of the people you want to collaborate with. You can choose their level of access. Viewer can only see files. Commenter can leave feedback without changing content. An editor can add, edit, organize, and delete files in the folder. If you're working closely as a team, editor might be appropriate, but use it thoughtfully to protect important documents. You can include a short message to give context, like what the folder contains or what you want them to do first, then confirm to share. That's it. You clicked Google Apps, opened Drive, created a new folder, named it, added your files, and shared it with the right people. Keep this process in mind for future projects, and your collaboration in Google Drive will stay organized, secure, and efficient.